How to create an e-commerce app without coding. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to create an e-commerce app without coding. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create your own e-commerce app in minutes without any coding skills and start selling your products, services, or subscriptions online. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. And Jotform is a powerful online tool that lets you create forms, surveys, quizzes, and more with ease. You can also use Jotform to create an e-commerce app that allows you to sell your products and services online. With Jotform, you can sell anything online, from physical goods to digital products, from services to subscriptions, from donations to memberships. You can also choose over 30 supported payment gateways including PayPal, Stripe, Square, Venmo, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Whether you're a small business owner or simply someone with a brilliant idea, Jotform Store Builder provides all the tools you need to succeed in the online marketplace. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To start with Jotform, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. There you'll find various options for signing up. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or you can use your email address. Select the option that works best for you and follow the steps to create a new account. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. To begin, locate the My Forms option in the top left corner. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various choices. Select the My Apps option from this list to proceed. By doing so, you will be directed to the My Apps page, where any existing apps you have created will be displayed. If you haven't created any apps yet, this page will be empty. On the My Apps page, you have the ability to easily create a new app. To do this, navigate to the top left section and click on the Create App button. This action will take you to another page offering 4 distinct options. Start from scratch, use a template, clone existing app, and build store. For this tutorial, we will choose the Use Template option, allowing us to construct our app using pre-built templates. Upon selecting Use Template, you will be directed to the Templates library. In this library, you will find a wide range of templates categorized and listed in the left menu. You have the freedom to explore the different categories and select one that aligns with your requirements. Alternatively, you can utilize the search bar to find a specific template. For instance, if you are searching for an e-commerce template, enter the keyword e-commerce into the search bar. After initiating the search, the results will be displayed. By selecting this template, you can commence building your e-commerce app without the need for coding. To begin customizing the template, click on the Preview button located under the template. This action will prompt an on-screen window to appear, allowing you to preview the app. Within this window, click on the Use Template option to proceed. It may take a moment for the template to load. Once loaded, you will be directed to the template's interface. Once the template is open, you will notice different sections such as Build, Settings, and Publish. In the Build section, you have the ability to customize the design and layout of the e-commerce app you have selected. The interface of the template we have chosen is simple. As you scroll down, you will encounter different pages of the e-commerce app. The first page serves as the home page, featuring sections such as New Collections, Trending Products of the Week, and Discounted Sale Products. If you continue scrolling, you will come across the next page that showcases the trending products of the week, complete with details like product name and price. Further down, you will find the page dedicated to the products on sale. If you wish to add a new page to your app, navigate to the bottom of the template's interface and locate the Add Page button. Clicking on this button will create a new page at the end where you can incorporate various elements. You also have the ability to customize the existing content of the app, such as text, pictures, buttons, and more. To do so, simply click on the content you want to update and customize. This action will open the right sidebar, providing you with options to modify that specific content. For instance, if you want to change the name of the e-commerce app, it can easily be done. In our case, the app is named Selma Official. To modify the name, simply click on it, and the right sidebar will open. Within the right sidebar, you will find 3 different sections. In the General section, you have the option to add the app name and description. To change the app name, navigate to the App Title field and input the desired name. Similarly, in the App Description field, you can modify the app description as well. In the Logo section of the right sidebar, you can alter the logo of your app. Additionally, you have the ability to adjust the size of the logo. Moving on to the Style section, you can customize various aspects such as the background color, background image, text color, and header alignment, left, center, or right. Similarly, you can change the background image of the home page. To change the background image of the home page, simply double-click on the image. This action will prompt the right sidebar to open up once again. Within the right sidebar, click on the Remove Image button to remove the existing background image. Once clicked, the image will be removed. To upload a new background image, click either the Upload Image button on the home page or the Choose a File option within the right sidebar. Select the desired image from your computer and upload it. The uploaded image will now appear in the app. You can follow the same method to customize other sections of the templates as well. In addition to customizing the existing content of the template, you have the option to add new elements as well. To do so, navigate to the left side of the template interface and click on the Add Elements option. This action will display a left sidebar with various elements that can be added. These elements include basic options such as form, sign document, heading, paragraph, link, document, image, and more. There are also widgets available, such as Data Grid, PDF Embedder, Fit Text, and others. For example, if you want to add a button to your e-commerce app, click on the Add Element button and then select the button option under the Basic section. Once clicked, a button will be added to your e-commerce app. You can easily adjust its position by dragging and dropping it into the desired location. Clicking on the button will reveal 2 options, a gear icon representing settings and a bin icon for deleting. If you click on the gear icon, the right sidebar will open. Within the right sidebar, you can modify the name of the button in the button text field. Additionally, you have the ability to assign button actions such as visiting a URL, sending an email, making a call, navigating to a specific page, or opening a form. Furthermore, you can customize the style of the button in the Style section of the right sidebar. In addition, you can further manage the navigation settings of the template by clicking on the Navigation Settings option located at the bottom right side of the template interface. A right sidebar will open. Within this sidebar, you can control the properties of the navigation menu, such as enabling or disabling it, showing icons, modifying menu names, and more. Furthermore, you have the ability to manage the design of your store. To do so, navigate to the right side of the template interface and click on the App Designer option. Once clicked, the right sidebar will open, providing you with various customization options. Here you can customize colors, the app background, font family, and more. Additionally, if you click on the App Layout section within the sidebar, you can change the layout of your app to better suit your preferences. Moreover, you can also manage the properties of your store. To access the Store Properties Management, click on the Store Properties option and then proceed to manage the relevant properties according to your requirements. Once you have finished customizing your app, you can preview it by clicking on the Preview App option located on the right side of the interface. This will allow you to view your app in different formats, including phone, tablet, and desktop, giving you a better understanding of how it will appear to users. After customizing the design and layout of your e-commerce app in the Build section, you can proceed to customize the app settings by clicking on the Settings section. This will take you to a page where you can modify various aspects of the app settings, including the app name, icon, and splash screen. Once you have made the necessary adjustments, you can move on to the next step. In the Publish section, you have the ability to share your app and embed it in different platforms. To share your app, click on the Quick Share section. Here you can find a shareable link that you can copy and send to others. Additionally, you can invite people via email to view your app. Furthermore, you have the option to download a QR code for your app by clicking on the Download QR Code button. This QR code can be used to easily access your app. You can also open up the app in a new tab to see how it looks by clicking on the Open in New Tab button. In the Embed section, you can find an embed code that you can copy and paste into any WordPress website to embed your app there. This allows you to integrate your app seamlessly into your existing website or platform, providing a cohesive user experience. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on how to create an e-commerce app without coding in Jotform. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and